Glyphs represent some type of symbol, a letter, an idea, and what you can do with glyphs is you can show something like a house, a light bulb, an arrow, a stop sign, so on. Now, what most of us probably have done in the past to try to figure out which symbol we're trying to get is we simply would type on our keyboards until we found the scissors or the phone. Let me give you an example here. I'll go to Window, I'm going to go to Type, and I'll choose Character. And as you can see here, I have Zaf Dingbat selected, which is one of those fonts that has symbols. So if you're in Microsoft Word or some application, you would just keep typing A, B, C, D to try to find that pair of scissors. And you would take 3 hours until you found it. Well, no longer, my friends, because Glyphs is going to help you with that problem. And we can get to the glyphs in several ways. We can go to our Type menu, choose Glyphs, or we can go to Window, Type, and Glyphs from here as well. Either way, it's going to open up the Glyphs panel. And you can choose your font here as well. So it says Zaf Dingbats right here. Go to this arrow, and you can go to Wingdings and Webdings and all kinds of things. Now, we can also choose a style where applicable. If you can't really see the glyph, you can click right here to zoom in, and you can click here to zoom back out. But the beautiful thing about this is you no longer have to waste your time doing all that pecking around on your keyboard, and you can get right to what you want to change. So let's say you want to create a phone. Grab your Type tool, click somewhere in your document, and simply double click on the glyph you're interested in. And you can keep doing that. I can also change the font. Let me go ahead and get rid of these guys here by going to my selection tool, and I'll just delete these. I'll go and change this to Wingdings. And let's say that I want to use maybe the yin-yang symbol. Once again, click to place my Type tool, double click, and now I have a symbol. Now the really beautiful thing about glyphs is that we can edit them. Because don't forget, in Illustrator, we have the ability to change a symbol into outlines. We can go to Type, Create Outlines. And now we can grab our Direct Selection tool, and we can grab some points, and we can change the shape. So it's a really great starting point for some very complicated things, especially for those who want to create buttons for the web or things like that. So go to Glyphs, just choose the font you're interested in. See if the symbol that you want to create is there. And once you find it, simply go ahead and double click, and then you can modify that symbol. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more time. I'll grab this one, put the pencil here, close it, and I can resize it, and I can rotate it or whatever I want to do, because now it's just a regular piece of artwork, especially after I change it into outlines.